Hi, in this video I'll quickly show you where your CVV number is located on your debit or credit card. This video will also show you how to find a CVC or CVV2 number. I know it can be frustrating, especially while you're about to make an online purchase. There is no need to worry, it's a very common issue. I hope to quickly resolve this issue for you, so you can get back to finishing your online purchase. Welcome to Money How-Tos and Tips. Before we begin, you would help our channel grow by simply leaving a comment about this quick tutorial and by giving us a thumbs up. Okay, first things first, grab your debit or credit card. Your debit card has a front and back side. Let's start with the front side. On the front side of your debit or credit card, you will see a 16-digit number which represents your debit or credit card account number. On the front of your card, you will also have an expiration date of your card, which usually lasts about 2 to 3 years. This description is for most Visa and Mastercards. Bear in mind, this does not apply to American Express credit cards, which has 15-digit account numbers. Okay, now let's flip your card over to the back side. On the back of your card, there should be a rectangular white strip. This section is where you put your signature. Next to your signature, you will see a 3-digit number. That's the CVV number you are looking for. The CVV number is typically located to the right of the panel and may be printed in white or embossed on the card. The CVV number is also known as CVC or CVV2. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to find your debit card CVV number, also known as CVC or CVV2. With this information, you can complete your online and phone purchases with confidence, knowing that your transaction is secure. Thanks for watching this video on how to find the CVV number for your debit card. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more money how-tos and tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Until next time, happy shopping!